Now we're going to put the box together that we created the sides for in top and bottom. So I'm going to do a standard IAM, and I'm going to place, and the first thing I'm going to place is going to be the bottom, because that's logically where I start. You can start with any part that you want. Click open. Right click, place grounded at origin. And this makes my front view, and I don't like that. So I'm going to go ahead and move it here and make that my front. And then click here in the corner of the view cube and make this my view when I go ahead and get it set up. I'm going to do fit to view. So now we're ready to go. Now I'm ready to place the sides. So I'm going to get the sides. And hit escape. So I've got my two sides. And you want to make sure you got them the right direction so everything fits fine. So I'm going to go ahead and hit constrain. And I want this mated with this part right here, and apply. And then I'm going to flush this with the front and apply. And then rotate around, flush, and flush, apply. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, but I'm going to again start off with the first one. I'm going to do mate. I could have done that by mating edges, but typically I start off my students by using just flushes just to get them oriented with how to do this. And apply. And I need to go around on the side. It's close, but not quite flush. And apply. Zoom out, and now I have that part of my box done. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the top. Comes in, hit escape, click OK, constrain. I want that to fit right on top of that, and apply. So it's mated. So now I'm going to flush again. So this is a fairly easy assembly for a beginner. There's no complicated parts, and everything goes together fairly well. Apply. And then I'm going to go around and let's click on this. Alright, so now when I go to place my back, I'll make sure I put it on what is the back of my box. So I'll put it back here. And then I'm going to hit escape. And then we're going to go around to the back. Now we want to put this right on the back, so let's see how that fits. So I definitely want to constrain it. So and this is where the students will get confused, and we'll kind of make some of the same mistakes the students will. They will want to put it, they'll try to do this, and apply, cancel. And then they're going to come in here, and you notice where the problem's going to be. They're not going to realize that this wants to fit inside there. So what I'm going to do is, the easiest thing to do is delete that mate. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to constrain. This is going to be mated with the top part of that. Apply. And maybe I want this edge with that edge. Apply. And let's see if that works. So it's the swinging door. So now I need to constrain that side to that, apply, and now I have my box completely put together and ready to go. So that shows you how to assemble your box.